And today is Wednesday, March 13th, 2024. We're at St. James on the Port Jet branch as you're looking towards the western end of the platform here. This is the first week, obviously, of daylight savings time. We'll have more of a chance to take some evening photos as the days are getting later and later. Tonight we're here to see train 660 running between Penn Station and Port Jeff. Running with the dual mode equipment, DM30AC 500 leading, 513 on the rear with 8. Both this and 664, both are running with 8 cars. 664 tonight running with the 508, East End 521 on the West End. 42, which is the Spionk run from Penn Station, that is also running with 8 cars. 509 on the East End, 516 on the West End. And there's supposedly a 4th dual mode set, but that's only running with 7 cars. That ran up to Oyster Bay from Long Island City. 514 on the East End, 518 on the West End. That runs up as train 560 returns as 565. Then goes to Montauk as train 26. Comes back as deadhead equipment to Spionk. And then usually goes out as train 39 the next morning. The equipment going to Spionk will run back as train 47, and then we'll come back as a deadhead equipment move in the wee hours of the morning, train 3036. Okay, just heard the horn of train 660 as it's passing the Nissaquag River Road crossing just east of Smithtown. Actually, it's the second crossing east of Smithtown. The first one is Landing Avenue, just east of the station. Then you have Nissaquag River Road. As train 660 is now making it up the hill. Time now 6:22.